Hey everyone, welcome back to Fighters Trading Channel, back again with a daily market analysis video. This is the 12th of March 2025, Wednesday, and as per normal, we're going to be taking a look at the pairs which we are looking to trade, and we will start with NAS 100. So, taking a look at the movements with NAS 100, what we can see is we are still very much in that downtrend. Yesterday, we didn't really see too many opportunities. The reason for this was the markets were super bullish for the most part, and then it went super bearish. So it was actually a consolidative phase. Now, the best place to have taken advantage of the bearish movement would have been on Monday. On Monday, we were expecting it to go up and retest the 20,700 level, but it broke below. You could have traded off this breakout to the downside and made some good money there. Yesterday, I did take a long trade. However, I closed it out pretty early after we had this bearish candle at 1 o'clock. Now, taking a look at the 4-hour charts, we can see that price is still very much bearish. The reason for this is price is trading below the 50 MA, and we can see the RSI is below 50. Now, that being said, it is a consolidative phase, so we are expecting price to move up and then move down. But for the most part, we are still looking for shorts on this pair. Moving into the lower time frame, what we can see is that the consolidation phase is a lot more clear. So if we were to mark it off, it would be between 19,200 and about 19,570. So still trading within that consolidative phase. I am expecting price to either break out of this consolidative phase, to the upside, retest 19,780 and then push to the downside, or to find resistance here at 19,580. Test it, provide a bearish signal, and then keep moving to the downside, where I will trade it to the support of 19,200. So right now, looking for shorts, still very bearish. Obviously, trade with a certain amount of caution, seeing the consolidation zone, and make sure that you use good risk management and good risk practices when you do take these trades. Going down into the lower time frame, what we can observe is price is currently moving in that retracement period. So it is moving upwards, waiting a retest right there. So moving on to US 30, we can see US 30 was a lot more bearish than NAS 100. So even yesterday, there were some prime bearish opportunities we could have taken advantage of, despite the spikes which we had at 8 o'clock last night. Taking a look at our MA, our price is trading below the moving average of 50, and we can see that the RSI levels is between 50 and 30, which is two very bearish confluences. So the bears are still very much in control here. My expectations for this pair is the price is going to move up, test the 41,830 level, or even move further up and test 42,390. We do see sellers sitting in this zone of 42,000. So we are very much looking for shorts, and we could see signals at any time. But my first sign of shorting here at 41,800, I will be looking to take that short. We can't see sellers sitting here because we have strong wick rejections upon this level. Moving on to the 1 hour, we can see that price is also trading below the MA here, and we are currently sitting in a bit of a consolidative phase with the RSI at 50. So we have bearish consolidation. Price is moving towards the zone of 41,800, so awaiting a reaction to the zone, and then from there I would look for a valid short. Also bearing in mind that I'm sticking with strict risk management principles. I do not want to overtrade. I'm also cognizant of the fact that the markets are reversing pretty strongly at this point, as I was stopped out of a trade yesterday. So trading this would have to be super accurate entries, possibly on the 5-minute time frame. with that 5-minute time frame, we're taking entries quickly, setting tight stop losses, and we're getting out very fast. So as soon as it hits that bottom support level at 41,226, I'm going to be out of the trade. So that's it for US 30. Moving on to gold. Gold very much operating within a consolidative phase. As we can see on the 4-hour, it's very tough to actually trade this pair right now. It's just moving up and down. We can trade within the consolidative phase, but like NAS and US 30, it's going to be scalping opportunities. So what we can observe here on the 4-hour is that the moving average isn't really giving us a good signal as price is trading upon it at the moment. And we can see that RSI is bullish, but within that consolidative phase, we are seeing strong resistance from that 2,925 level, which price is currently sitting upon. So moving into the lower time frame, we can see that there is a reaction that is being given, but we need the bearish signal as well as the bearish confirmation on the 1-hour before we take a trade. Now, that does limit our opportunities, but if we're looking for a scalp, we can already see that there may be a scalp opportunity in play here. So we'll wait for this candle to close, look for a short position all the way down to the support at 2,897. So that's something to keep our eye on right now at this moment. Remember, it's a scalp, so we're in and out very quickly. Ooh, but look at how this turned around. So again, that's why we wait for close and we wait for confirmations. We need the confirmations in order to validate the strategy which we are using, to validate the fact that this is an entry. And that's why even if it was an evening star, we would have to wait for another bearish candle to confirm that the bears have taken control post that evening star. We can see that the RSIs are overextended right now on the 5-minute, which actually leads to our confirmation that price will turn around at some point soon. But keeping an eye out on gold for today. So, Euro USD, this pair is just moving very wavy at the moment. On the 4-hour, we can see that price is trading above the MA, so it's bullish. We can see that the RSI is at 70 right now, so it did tap that overextended region, and we have not seen a correction yet, so I'm still expecting that correction. But price keeps making highs, it keeps moving up. Yes, the momentum has slowed down, and we do see a bit of a pattern right here. We do see this channel that the pair is currently running within. So right there and right there. Beautiful. And a break of this channel to the downside will probably give me the signal I need to get into this pair. But for the moment, still very bullish, and I'm not looking to take a trade because of how overextended it is. Even just taking a look at it on the daily, it is just moving way too fast and way too high without a single correction, and that's a bit of a scary place to be in. So yeah, Euro USD, I'm staying out of it until I see a clear bearish reversal. So I'm taking that off the watch list. Euro JPY, definitely moving bullish, but it is approaching that bearish resistance trend line. So although the bulls are in control, as we can see with the price trading above the 50 MA and trading up between 50 and 70 on the RSI, we are approaching that trend line, which did provide us with a lot of support in the past, or a lot of signals in the past. So we will await a reaction. We will still be looking for bullish trades. The reason why we're looking for bullish trades is that is the current trend. And how I would be looking to trade this is off. So take a look at the previous 3 moves. So we could potentially get a testing there, but my likely scenario is that it could come all the way back to 160.4 and test that level before pushing higher. So moving into the lower time frame, let's see what we can see. So price trading above the MA right there. Oh, we already have the signal here. Look at that. See? Lower time frames, always for the win. So we can already see we're trading above the MA. RSI is in a bit of that overextended region. Seeing how it tests the resistance here, comes back and reacts to the break and retest level at 160.6. seeing how it reacts there. If I get a bullish signal off that, I'll be looking to take the long to the upside and beyond that resistance level. So let's see how that plays out. Looking at USD JPY, we're very much bullish on this pair now. We've broken out of the triangle and we have bullish signals. Let's move on to the 4 hours to see what's happening. Price is currently trading, so we can see that the 50 MA, it's kind of invalidated because price breaks it, comes back in, breaks it, comes back in. So we could see a break. We could see a test of this 149.43 level. Price test that and keeps moving bearish. But for the moment, we are bullish and we are in a bearish channel. So I'm going to let this run bullish, see what the retracement provides. If I get a bearish signal off this level of significance here, or even off this bearish resistance trend line, I'll be looking for that shorting opportunity. Let's just have a quick glance through the rest of the pairs. So Bitcoin finding support at 78.926. This level's been tapped twice, so we got a double bottom pattern forming here, and we have broke above the bearish trend line, so something to keep an eye on. We could see bull step back into that market. AUD JPY moving bearish, currently in a broad range consolidation between 94.462, and then we got a double top pattern, a double bottom pattern here at 92.44. So keep an eye out on this. We could be moving bullish for an extended range. Could be looking for longs here actually. Reason why I say longs is trading all of this all the way up to 94.65. Looking at AUD USD, nothing that indicates long-term trending, so I'm staying away. GBP JPY moving within a consolidation between 192.55 and 188.62. So currently approaching that resistance level. We will see how it reacts. If it gives us a bearish signal, I'll be looking to trade it to the downside all the way to 188.59. Okay, so GBP USD also looking like Euro USD. Super bullish at the moment, but currently within a consolidation, not looking to take risks there. And then CHF JPY still very on the fence, using the support level at 166.25, but no major momentum stepping in since that time. I've also just been taking a look at the gold markets, seeing what's happening there in correlation to the dollar. We are seeing some upside potential here. This pair is moving bullish on the daily, so something to keep an eye out on. We could see buyers stepping into this market in both the medium term and the long term. So that is our analysis for today. Just to recap, we are looking for shorts on NAS 100. We're looking for shorts on US 30. We are looking for shorts on the dollar, and then we're waiting to see Euro USD play out, and we're waiting to see Euro JPY play out, and then of course awaiting the completion of the retracement for USD JPY. So I hope you enjoyed that analysis today. Nice quick one. If you enjoyed the analysis, please like and subscribe and drop me a message if you'd like any other pairs further analyzed, or if you'd like to discuss pairs. Also note that this is not financial advice, but rather my personal opinions on what's happening in the markets. I wish everyone a successful trading week, and I will catch you in the next video. Cheers.